Lady, go!
I just got the Grimace shake.
Ooh, that sounds delicious.
Do you want the Grimace shake?
Yes, it's so nutritious.
It would be a big mistake.
Why would you ever say that?
They say it could put your life at stake, and once you drink it, you can't go back. Happy birthday, Grimace. What a wish list. You've given me everything. You're the new friend we're looking for. Happy birthday, Grimace. Let me just say, you're my favorite purple guy. You're the friend that I wish I could multiply.
Who cares about all the other guys? You made me so happy that I could just die.
You're the type to leave no trouble.